Hello everyone, this is Team Web3 in Bali this week after being in Hong Kong for the last few weeks, where I actually spoke to an event last Friday into the future of Web3. It was a very interesting event. We were talking to university students of Hong Kong and also some people in the Web3 industry. Hopefully for those who were there, I hope you had a good time. And I was on a panel with some great people and we talked about, is Web3 worth your time? And obviously, I think it's worth everyone's time. Now, I'm here to spend Chinese New Year with my family, but the news never stops. So of course, I'm going to cover for you guys what happened the last week in Asia. First off, I want to talk to you guys about McDonald's. To be fair, I'm not usually a big fan of the McDonald's marketing activation, but I actually think this time it looks like they're really going to nail it. So they are working on an activation for the Lunar New Year, or what we call Chinese New Year. As most of you may know or will know in the next few days, it's the year of the rabbit. And they actually partnered with Karen X Cheng, which is a very famous content creator. If you use Adobe Stack, the Adobe Rush, you actually see her face like right there on the homepage. So she's really amazing. I've personally have been following her for a few years. She's very innovative. And so they partnered together with McDonald's to create content. They're producing content with AI, and they're also having a metaverse experience tied to it. I think it's very interesting that McDonald's, they're really kind of trying to do a proper concept here, and it looks like it's pretty roundup. So looking forward to see the activation and how it does on social media and how people react to it. We see an interesting partnership between countries. It seems that in Asia, every country is different. It is. And I'm very happy to see that some different countries, different companies really try to partner up. So we had a news last week from Singtel, the leader in Telecom in Singapore, and SK Telecom, the leader in South Korea, announcing an MOU of partnership, saying they're going to partner up, push their technology and try to do something together and really boost the metaverse application and Web3 in their respective countries. So I'm looking forward to see what they're gonna do. Again, this is just a PR announcement, so we have to keep an eye on it and see what actually is going to happen. Next up, one thing I'm very skeptical about, or I have no idea how they're gonna pull this off, but there is this province in South Korea, and sorry if I botch the name, but it's called Gyeongbuk province. The governor went to Vietnam and announced that they're going to use the metaverse to strengthen ties between Vietnam and the province. Apparently, they already invested between around like 15 million US dollar to build some application where, so that's the thing, I have no idea what they're building. So I'm looking forward to see what's going to happen there. Again, this is an announcement. This is interesting to see that it's becoming like political and they want to strengthen partnership between Asia countries. So yeah, let's keep an eye on that. Last but not least, Sentosa Island. For those who don't know, Sentosa Island is an artificial island in Singapore, has a lot of hotel, a lot of entertainment, so it's really a destination. And they want to promote tourism in Singapore and in Sentosa Island. What they did is they went into Roblox. So you can go into Roblox today, discover Sentosa Island, play some games. Now, I'm not sure who really is the target audience there. I mean, Roblox is definitely for a very young audience. Is it going to actually attract more tourists to Singapore? Again, I know the thing I'm a little skeptical about. So, all in all, if you look at what I just shared with you guys in the last 2 minutes, we have McDonald's, which I think is really nailing it. We have a lot of announcements from South Korea, Singtel, Sentosa Island in Singapore. But again, a lot of announcements, like I want to see actual applications. So if you see any applications in Asia that you think are worth talking about and share with everyone in my newsletter and with this video, please share it to me. I'm starting to feel like people just keep announcing things, but please send me some real world application, NFT, Metaverse, Web3 in Asia, send it my way. Okay. Have a good week, guys. Talk to you next week.